Hi, I'm here with another quick tutorial for you on YSU PenguinPulse. Today I'm going to show you how to add an impact for a volunteer event you participated in that came from a YSU or a community partner event. So an event you found and registered for on YSU PenguinPulse. The easiest way to do this is to first go to the event page. Go to your top navigation bar once you log in and click Activity, then choose Registrations. Here you'll see a list of all the events you registered for. Find the one you want to add an impact for and click it to see the events page. If this was a service event, then you'll see the Add Impact button on the page. If not, this button may not be activated since you only add impacts for service-oriented events. Click on this button and the top portion of your impact form will already be filled out for you. Then you'll just go ahead and fill out the rest of the form, making sure you add your reflection details and sharing with Youngstown State University. And then you'll click Add Impact. From here, your impact will go through the verification process, and once verified, it will show up on your account. You can click the user drop-down up top and select Summary to see a full list of all of your verified impacts. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials.